Today marks a dramatic turnaround in traders' expectations of the Federal Reserve's upcoming meeting in less than 2 weeks. This morning, speculation has grown that a half percentage point rate increase on March 22 is no longer likely. This shift came after a number of developments that pointed to a more cooperative monetary policy stance from the federal bodies. Economic figures from Friday's Labor Department report showed a non-farm payroll increase of 311,000 and a year-over-year gain in average hourly earnings of 4.6%. Both of these figures were a step down from January's stats and were below the Wall Street estimate, informing the conclusion of economists at banks including Bank of America and Goldman Sachs that the Fed would opt for a quarter-point hike instead. This shift in market sentiment away from a 0.5% rate rise was especially notable on Thursday morning when the probability of such a move, as gauged by CME Group's Fed Watch gauge of federal funds futures contracts, was above 70%. This shift came following remarks from Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, who suggested in Congress the week that if inflation data didn't ease, the Federal Reserve likely would push rate faster and higher than previously expected. However, this drastic shift was coinciding with fears of contagion in the financial sector, following Silicon Valley Bank's collapse. This resulted in market trading swinging towards the quarter-point probability and becoming more pronounced by this morning. Liz Ann Saunders, chief investment strategist at Charles Schwab, observed that this movement could not be separated from the downfall of SVB and speculated about how the Fed must be considering if this were connected to the economic implications. In the context of this dynamic nature of the marketplace, many believe that the approaching week of data will play a key role in the final decision that the Federal Open Market Committee drives. Although traders today may seem as though they are leaning towards a quarter-point increase, the unfolding of events following the Labor Department report reveals how quickly this decision and the marketplace can change.